How to log into public bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into public bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and search for public bank. So simply search for public bank, and after you do that, you will see its website. You can head over to their website. It's PBE Bank. After you're here, what you can then do is on the top right, you will see the sign in or login button. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will be able to choose your different accounts. You will see the basic PB account. You can see the enterprise. You can see the share trading, and you can even find the QR code. So let's head over to the top one here. After you tap on it, it might take some time, but it should load like this. And here you will be able to type in your user ID. So type in your user ID, and after you type in your user ID, simply tap on next. After you tap on next, you will be able to you will be redirected to another page where you will be able to type in your password. So after you type in your password, you will be logged in into your public bank. And that's basically it, guys. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.